Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment in an adulteration series, that is your detection of the papaya seed in a black paper. Okay, this adulteration are very common. Okay, what manufacturer or supplier do? They adulterate the black paper with the that papaya seed because it looks are very similar to that that black paper. Okay, that papaya seed are look very similar to that black paper. That's why the manufacture, not a manufacturer, like this type of the adulteration are done by a lower level of that manufacturer or the supplier. Okay, what they do, they mix both type of this black pepper and the papaya seed, and by seeing our naked eye we cannot differentiate it. Okay, for this we have to perform an experiment. So here our adulterant are what? Adulterant is your papaya seed, and the food sample is your what? Is your black paper. So we have what? We have a black paper as a sample, and we have to see that is that any adulteration of papaya seed are occur or not. Now before starting this experiment we have to know that what is this adulteration are. So simply adulteration are defined as the adding of the substance into a food product so that the quantity of the food product are increases, flavor of the food product enhance, and the color of the food product are enhanced. Here the main aim of the addition of that papaya seed into the black paper is what? To increase the quantity. But when the quantity increases, the quality are ultimately decreases. Okay, suppose that you pay for a for 300 gram of that black paper, but in 300 gram there is 50 gram of papaya seed are added. So you pay for 300 gram, but you get black pepper what? Only 250 gram. So only the loss of what? The consumer have a loss for this. Okay. Even the nutritional value are decreases, and some health issues are also occur due to this adding of that papaya seeds. Okay. Now for performing this experiment, what we have to do? We have required a two chemical. The one is your iodine solution, and another one is your 97.2 ml of that ethyl alcohol. So first of all we have to discuss about the first chemical, that is your iodine solution. So for the preparation of the iodine solution we take a 2 gram of potassium iodide, and this 2 gram of potassium iodide are dissolved into a 20 ml of the distilled water. When that potassium iodide are completely dissolved, then we add a 0.5 gram of iodine, and when both that potassium iodide and the 0.2 gram of iodine both are dissolved, then after that we make a volume 100 ml. Now what we have to do, we take a 2 gram of potassium iodide, it will be dissolved into a 20 ml of that distilled water. When it is completely dissolved, then we add a 0.2 gram of iodine. When this 0.2 gram of iodine are completely dissolved, then again we add what? We add a that that is your that is your 100 ml of alcohol. Okay, make up volume 100 ml. That means that we have to add a 80 ml of that alcohol into it. So we get what? We get a iodine solution. Now we have to store this iodine solution into a dark bottle when we have to store it. Now for performing this experiment, what we have to do, first of all we have to take a weight of this um, black paper. Then we have to add around 100 ml of that ethyl alcohol, and we mix it to this. If our black paper are mature, then it will sink. Okay, if mature black paper are what? They are sink, and then we take out with the help of the spoon, and we cut that black paper into the half by using that mortar pestle, and into it we have to add this iodine solution. If we get a pale color, then it means that it is adulterated with the papaya, and if we get a blue color, then it means that the starch are present. Now first of all we have to take a weight Now tear the sweet. We have 5 gram of this black pepper. If we have a 5 gram of black pepper, then we have to add around 50 ml of this ethyl alcohol. Okay, in 5 gram we have to add a 50 ml of ethyl alcohol. If we have a 150 gram, then we have, if we have a 15 gram, then we have to add a 150 ml of this ethyl alcohol. Now add ethyl alcohol. Now, how we prepare this 97.2% of that ethyl alcohol? We take 97.2 ml of ethyl alcohol and add and make a volume 100 ml by using distilled water. If the mature black pepper are they these, then it will sink. See. You can see that all the black paper are sink, but only few. Now I am mixing it properly, then we will see again. If it is not sink, then it means that it is adulterant. Okay, all the black papers are what they are sink into the ethyl alcohol, which means that our sample are pure. Okay, if it is if it is not sink properly, then we perform the other experiment, like we second half of the experiment, like we divide it into the second half, we divided into the half and then added that iodine solution. Okay, but here we get what we get a negative result. So for this we don't need to perform a second part of the experiment, because now we know that our sample does not contain any papaya seed. So this is all about the today's experiment. I hope you will understand. But if you have any query related to this experiment, you can freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy at different platforms like your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.